Well, some of the fence is up. It takes some time. Holes were about 2 feet deep, and the posts are sticking up just a touch over 6 feet. So it's looking good. Got it nice and straight. Didn't get a chance to finish priming over here, but I'll have to do that next time. And then we'll dig our other 2 holes to complete our fence. Did take the internet or TV cable down that was just strung out over from some other houses. So we did a lot, and there's more to do, but it's looking really good. Can't wait to get it all painted, especially up there in the peak. That's gonna be cool. Stairs is looking nice, and the white fence really does look good. And it matches the other side, so that's cool.